Welcome back to my channel. WordPress migration can be frustrating, especially when your site size crosses 500 megabytes. I tested all the popular free plugins, the default import, export, all-in-one WP migration, and Duplicator. But each of them failed on my website, either stuck during import, showing PHP restrictions, or file size errors. After all these failures, I finally found one free plugin that actually worked, Migrate Guru. It's designed for larger sites and works completely free. I just installed the plugin and activated the plugin, entered my email, agreed for terms, and selected my hosting type, and pasted the destination site key. The migration started right away. During the process, my server throughput peaked at around 20,480 kilobytes per second, so the load was quite high. But even with that, the plugin kept running smoothly and didn't crash. In just 26 minutes, my entire 789 megabyte site was successfully migrated without errors. Check out my step-by-step tutorial on migrating your site with a Migrate Guru plugin, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.